Hello, I'm doing a review of this Daisy 25 pump action rifle BB gun. It is chambered in .177 caliber BBs, metal. It goes up to about 350 FPS, and it is about 30 to 40 US dollars. This gun is fairly accurate. It's pretty alright. It has engraving on the receiver right here. It's supposed to be like a man shooting ducks, that kind of thing. Of course, it lives up to its name. Pump action. Yep. Safety first. There. Safety is right here, of course. Right here has adjustable sights for windage and elevation. I believe elevation. Then we have a peep sight right here. We just have this little blade-like thing right here on the front sight. And yeah. So it also feeds from this tube magazine right here. And screw it. There we go. Then we just take it out. Then what you want to do? Take this little thing right here. Right there. Slide it down. Right here. See? You lock it right here. Come on, you stupid thing. Lock for these viewers. They're taking the time to watch our video. There we go. And then, there's a hole somewhere. Right here, we have a little hole that we feed our BBs through. This is a 50 round magazine, by the way. And yeah. Screw this right back in here. Also, this is part of the Daisy Youth line, just so you know. Nope. Okay, good. I almost screwed up the camcorder. Or the view. So, yeah, that's just about it for this, your little BB gun. There's really not much to it. So, yeah. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Whether it's positive rating or negative rating, I do not care. Just please don't hate. Do that such thing. And yeah. Have a nice day. Or night. Depends on which time you're watching this.